Well, as you can see here, this is the koa that we use for the planting or the seeding ceremony. All right? It is, in fact, a sharpened stick that has been wrapped in a cloth wrapping. There's a structure here that's made out of wood that is the footrest, where the woman that is going to plant the seeds actually puts this stick down, and she puts her foot on that footrest and pushes the sharpened part of the stick into the soil to make the hole. Now, once that part of the ceremony is over, what we do is that we pull the stick out. You notice that there is a screw here that acts as a stop for when she pushes down with her foot on this. It pushes down on that screw and actually allows for the point to go down into the soil. So we then take the stick out, we slide it out. You can see. Then we untie this portion. Creates kind of like a flap. See? And then we bend it into the shape of the hoop, what we in the Kane circle call the koa hoop, because we believe that it is really, in fact, a koa that has been shaped into the form of an oval or an egg shape. Then we actually use the flap to tie it together where the footrest used to be. Once this is tied, we reshape it so that it'll look just like the traditional hoops that you find in the Caribbean made out of stone. Remember that in Taino tradition, oftentimes pieces of artwork that were done in one medium, such as wood or clay, sometimes were transferred onto a completely different medium. Notice that in some cases, like in the Cuban burial urn, that was made out of wood, whereas in Dominican burial effigy, that was made out of cloth. Cloth is a very important, cotton, this is cotton cloth. Cotton cloth is a very important medium for the creation of sacred objects in Taino tradition.